In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to a Supabase storage bucket with React. We'll start by setting up storage in Supabase so you have a reliable place for your images. Head to the Supabase website and sign in. From the dashboard, open your list of projects and create a new project. Give it a clear, memorable name that reflects your app. You'll be asked for a database password. Create a strong one and store it somewhere secure. You'll also pick a region. Choose the location closest to most of your users for better performance. When you're ready, create the project and give it a moment to provision. Once your project is live, look to the left sidebar and open the storage section, then go to Buckets. Create a new bucket. Choose a simple lowercase bucket name without spaces, like images or user uploads, so it's easy to reference later in code. You'll see an option to make the bucket public. Public buckets let you serve files directly via a URL, which is handy for images you intend to show on a website. If your use case requires tighter control, keep it private and plan to use signed URLs from your app. For this walkthrough, a public bucket is convenient. Next, set file size restrictions to prevent huge uploads from eating your storage or slowing your app. Pick a sensible limit that matches your use case. Then restrict allowed MIME types so only image formats are accepted. Add types like image PNG, image JPEG, and image WEP. This helps protect your app and keeps your bucket clean. Create the bucket to finish the setup. Open the new bucket to view its contents. Now upload an image from your computer. Choose your file and confirm the upload. After it finishes, you'll see the file listed with its name and path. If your bucket is public, you can form a direct URL using the bucket and object path. Otherwise, you'll serve it by generating a signed URL in your app. As a best practice, consider organizing files into folders by user or feature and use predictable file names to avoid collisions. That's it for preparing storage and uploading an image. This exact bucket is what your React app will talk to using the Supabase client. In your React code, you'll reference the bucket name you created and call the upload and get public URL or signed URL methods to manage files safely. Remember to keep your project keys and environment variables and never commit them to source control. With your bucket ready and a successful test upload, you're set to wire this up in React and start displaying images in your app.